बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है जो प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस के स्टार्ट से ही लिया गया है। इट्स अ ट्रूथ यूनिवर्सली एक्नॉलेज्ड दैट अ सिंगल मैन in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a definitely wife। बड़ी मशहूर ज़माना कोटेशन है। The Bennett family lives in the village of Longbourn. Mr. Bingley, when he attends the ball in Meryton, seems to be quite taken with Jane. How does Mr. Darcy offend Elizabeth at the first ball? He refuses to dance with her. Elizabeth's best friend is named Charlotte Lucas. Why does Jane's visit to the Bingleys end up lasting for days? She gets soaked in rainstorm and becomes ill. What does it mean that Mr. Bennett's property is entailed? ये क्वेश्चन पहले आया हुआ है पेपर्स में। इसका मतलब ये कि it can only be inherited by a male. What reasons does Wickham give Elizabeth for his dislike of Darcy? Darcy cheated him out of an inheritance. वो पुरानी बात बता के उसको। To which Bennet daughter does Mr. Collins propose marriage? Elizabeth. Whom does Mr. Collins marry? He marries Charlotte Lucas. Why does Miss Bingley dislike Elizabeth? She is jealous of Darcy's growing attraction to Elizabeth. Where do the Bingleys and Darcy go for the winter? They go to London. In March, Elizabeth goes to visit again Charlotte Lucas. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है। ये क्वेश्चन 2017 के पेपर में गालिबन आया हुआ है। लेडी कैथरीन डी बोरो इज डार्सीज, शी इज डार्सीज आंट। When Darcy first proposes to Elizabeth, he spends most of the proposal dwelling on how socially unsuitable a match she is for him. When Darcy proposes for the first time, Elizabeth turns him down, वो उसको रिफ्यूज कर देती है for the first time. Elizabeth's feelings towards Darcy begin to change when he sends her a letter of his action. वो explain करता है उसको अपने letter में सारी चीज़ें। Darcy's estate is called, आपको पता होना चाहिए, Pemberley Estate, Pemberley. Where does Lydia spend the summer and why? This is also very famous in the novel. They spent the summer at Britain to be near the military people who stayed over there. What socially disastrous romantic decision? What socially disastrous romantic decision does Lydia make? वो लिडिया भी एक बड़ा अजीब और गरीब फैसला करती है कि वो भाग जाती है विक्रम के साथ। She elopes with Wickham. Who spearheads the search for Lydia with Mr. Bennet returns home in defeat? Mr. Gardiner. Mr. Gardiner. Who pays off Wickham convincing him to marry Lydia? It was Darcy who did this. When he returns to Netherfield, Mr. Bingley resumes courting Jane. What does Lady Catherine forbid Elizabeth to do? वो उसको मशवरा देती है कि ये काम नहीं करना। She says never to marry Darcy. The novel ends with with what? Bingley marrying Jane and Darcy marrying Elizabeth. ये दो मैरिजेस जो हैं वो एंड पे हो जाते हैं. What are Elizabeth's most notable virtues? बहुत important है कि एलिजाबेथ के दो important virtues क्या हैं. Number 1 is her intelligence and number 2 is her quick wit. Which characteristics does Elizabeth have to overcome in the novel? पूरे नावल में वो किस चीज़ को overcome करती हुई नज़र आती है? So क्या है? Her tendency to make judgments too quickly. वो जो बहुत जल्द अज जल्द फैसले कर लेती है उन्हें वो बाद में रिकवर करती हुई नज़र आती है. So what trait does Darcy have to get over to be with Elizabeth? डार्सी को एलिजाबेथ के साथ होने के लिए किन चीज़ों पे काबू पाना है? His inflated sense of pride. यही दोनों चीज़ें जो हैं, इसका pride और उधर से prejudice. Which two characters serve as foil for Elizabeth and Darcy? ये foil का concept जो है ये आप लाजमी तैयार कीजिएगा. इसका 2017 में भी क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, 15 में भी आया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो दो कैरेक्टर कौन से हैं जो एक दूसरे का फॉयल के तौर पे सर्व करते हैं? तो दिस इज जेन एंड चार्ल्स बिंगले. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब मिस्टर बैनेट्स बिहेवियर थ्रू आउट द नावल? दैट इज मिस्टर बैनेट इज अ डिटैच्ड एंड sarcastic sort of person. Which two traits define Mr. Collins? Mr. Collins' snobbery and servility is there all the time. Which two Bennet sisters are most charmed by the soldiers? आपको अच्छे से याद होगा, Lydia and Catherine. And why does Charlotte accept Mr. Collins' proposal? Because she knows it makes financial sense. वो financial gains के लिए उसको accept कर लेती है. Which two characters act most snobbishly towards Elizabeth? They are Miss Bingley and Lady Catherine de Bourgh. What is Mrs. Bennet's primary goal in life? ये आपको शुरू से ही पता चल जाता है कि she wants to see her daughters married. Yes. And that's all for Pride and Prejudice. Wish you good luck. Allah Hafiz.